The nature of your reality is a product of your interaction with your own mind. All experiences originate within our consciousness. Our internal vibration is mirrored by the universe, resulting in physical manifestations that reflect our dominant thoughts, feelings, and overall vibrational frequency. We often focus solely on the physical manifestations as the ultimate truth. It is important, though, to understand that the images we perceive are constructed from light reflecting off objects and processed by our brain. The brain receives and analyzes this data, creating its own interpretations of the external world. The thoughts and feelings we experience are formed based on this mental image. Essentially, the human mind faces its own nature through this process. Consciousness is the only element of existence that we personally experience. While many believe in their separation from external reality, the interaction between mind and matter occurs on an internal level. Our experiences of seeing, smelling, hearing, tasting, and touching are generated from within based on perception. If individual consciousness shapes individual experiences, why do we collectively share a similar reality? The existence of objectivity and consistent world order is a result of our universal mind transcending individual minds, often referred to as God's mind. Welcome to the channel. If you don't already know, my name is Jure. I'm a coach and mentor. I specialize in meditative, spiritual practices, and I take my clients to the next level. If you would like a free guided meditation, there's one in the description. I have it pinned to the comments. This is a meditation that I've created for myself to absolutely break free from programs within myself that were not serving me, and I had to break free. I offer this as an easy, affordable method for anyone who wishes to experience what meditation can do for you and what is absolutely done for me and every single one of my students. Now consider what your mind is presenting to you as reality. When you change your reality, it is because you have changed your mind. You are not separate from your reality, you are one with it. Objects within consciousness are not separate from consciousness itself. Matter and mind are intertwined. As all physical matter is composed of energy, essentially what we experience is an interactive feedback loop between the observer and the observed. To bring about a desired change in your reality, and I mean a real change, I want you to follow this simple 6-step process. And afterwards, I will explain why and how it works so effectively. Number 1, choose something you want to create in your physical reality, whether tangible or intangible. Happiness, peace, love, etc. Now, number 2, create a vivid scene in your mind using all of your senses to immerse yourself in that scene. This is an imaginative scene that you have created within your meditative space. Choose a representation of this manifestation. Number 3, focus your intention into the center of your mind, imagining it settling there. That centered, neutral, non-judgmental place. Number 4, sit with this intention for a few moments. I recommend at least 5 minutes as a beginner. As you advance, 10, 20, 30. To tell you the truth, sometimes I sit in the morning for over an hour just meditating, and I have no idea how long it's been. It feels so good. Every morning I do it, and I love it. Number 5, as you do this, you should feel the associated feelings intensify. Put yourself in the imaginative scene that you've created. Be there. Live it. Truly feel it. Sit with these intensified feelings for a few moments in your neutral, centered, meditative space. From that space is where manifestation occurs. Number 6, practice this exercise daily. I cannot stress that enough, especially as a beginner. I recommend twice a day, and you can cut it back or even add more if you'd like, but at least every day for several minutes. It will get easier and easier over time as you separate yourself from your emotional, analytical mind and become one with all. Expressing love and gratitude for all your experiences should be in this space. Every day you engage in this exercise, you will shift from linear, analytical thinking to whole brain functioning, where both hemispheres communicate harmoniously. This is what we all wish to achieve. This was a huge hang-up for me in the beginning. There was no harmony in my brain. This activates the endocrine systems, including the pineal gland, the third eye, which regulates other endocrine glands. These glands release hormones into the bloodstream, influencing mood, growth, development, organ function, metabolism, and reproduction. Hormones affect our behavior, feelings, and states of being. So when you enter a meditative state and focus your intention precisely, you create stimuli that trigger significant changes within you. Significant changes. This allows you to experience your thoughts more intensely, even on a cellular level. Your feeling state transcends time and space, reaching the eternal and infinite universal mind of consciousness where all things are created. Remember to practice this exercise daily. This is exactly why I've created my guided meditation. It has helped me immensely, and I know it will do the same for you. It's in the description. I've pinned it to the comments. Don't be afraid to drop a comment and tell all of us your experience with this meditation. And remember, practice this daily, dedicating several minutes to it. Additionally, express love and gratitude for all of your experiences. That vibration alone will change your life. Your reality and experiences reflect the nature of your thoughts and mind, providing an opportunity to explore within and expand your thinking to transform unsatisfactory experiences. Collectively, we possess the power to reshape our reality by accessing the universal mind and manifesting new energetic outcomes. By collectively emanating vibrations of peace, love, joy, good health, harmony, love, abundance, most importantly, gratitude, we can reclaim our divine nature any second of every day. Right now, at this very moment, you and I can change our timeline. The subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between imagination and real life experiences. And these new filters determine what information and experiences are relevant to the newly created programs. So acknowledging and noting every piece of evidence, no matter how small, that aligns with the new story solidifies the new beliefs, the truth. It makes these programs become reality. This process requires practice and, like I said, consistency. It is so important to remember that one has spent years thinking a certain way, and training the subconscious mind to align with one's desires requires dedicated, conscious effort. However, once evidence of the new conscious choices start to appear, which was previously unseen, then new life experiences begin to take place.